Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and cutting the net to fit the corset with a 1/2-inch seam allowance. This avoids puckering. Once cut, lay the corset flat and mark 3 anchor lines: top edge, waist stay, and near the busk. Use a fine hand-sewing needle and polyester thread for strength and slight stretch. Make small running stitches along the marked lines to tack the net in place. These initial anchors hold fabric alignment and prevent shifting when you move to permanent seams. Once the net is tacked, you ease it around the corset curves by creating tiny gathers every 1 to 1.5 inches. This matches the flat net to 3-dimensional shaping. Make those gathers evenly so the net lies smooth without stretching the corset panels. Then switch to a backstitch from the inside for a secure, nearly invisible seam that withstands tension. After stitching, lightly steam or press on low heat to settle the net and check for any uneven puckers to correct. You finish by folding a 1/4-inch edge under or covering raw edges with narrow bias binding, then secure with whip stitching for durability. Once edges are finished, try the corset on and test how the net effects fit. Make micro adjustments at anchor points before tying final knots so you don't over-tighten. If you see puckering, don't panic. Loosen the closest seam by about 1/8 inch, re-ease the net evenly, and restitch. This troubleshooting step fixes tension issues without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.